Okay, so here I am, and look what I found. Oh my God, it's a small sugar plantation factory. So here's the sugar cane, or the cut sugar cane, and then the ladies over there, they put it in that machine. Yes, look at that. And then you can see down here the juice comes out, and then it goes into these burners here. So they're different heats, I think. And so the last one is here. Oh, this guy here, he's putting he burns all the stuff here for the fire. So underneath there there's a fire. And so this is the last one to boil out all the water, and then finally they scoop it out, and then they put it into tins over there. You can see the tins. And then they are blocks of sugar. At the end, it's just naturally processed sugar, and I tasted it, and it's so good. It's just natural, no preservatives, no any chemicals, just natural, healthy, and good for the small village. There's the girls. Oh, here we are. Oh, how are you?
How are you?
Good, good.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So that was a good find, a little sugar factory here in Chiemhua, in the village. Okay.